So I'm gonna wax what I've never done before. So Trust Wellness sent me a waxing kit. I've never done it before. I'm actually very excited. My sister and I have been wanting to get it for like the past year, but we just never got it. Let me just show you guys what's in it first. So they give me a bunch of beads with different colors. So there's green, purple, blue, another green, and yellow. Yellow's starting to become my favorite color, as you can see. And then this is the spray, the after spray. This is the pre-wax spray. And then the pot, this is what you use to like apply the wax. The smaller sticks is for smaller areas. Today I'm doing my armpits. I'm excited. I've always wanted to wax my armpits. This looks like a mini version of a crock pot. Do you see this? It's like, you know, you take it out, you put water, rice, whatever, or a rice cooker. These armpits need wax. I just want it, like I've always wanted to wax it where like all the hair comes out of my follicle. Whenever you shave, there's still hair. When you wax, it's like it strips it. So I'm like so excited. I'm gonna pick the color. We're gonna do yellow. The pre-wax says clean and moisture. Then the after wax says moisture and smooth. I'm gonna put a little bit because I don't need that much for my armpits. And it's thin, so I'm just not gonna put a lot. I don't know if that's too little. Like this much. We'll see. I'm gonna put it here in case I need more. But since it's armpits, I'm gonna use this. Because I feel like, should I use this? No, let me use this. And if I need detail, I'll use a smaller one. The whole thing is like to prevent infection. You just have to be very careful when you wax. As I'm reading, my skin is on the sensitive side, so I'm gonna be taking care of it as much as I can. But if it looks good, I'll take care of it. I'll take my time. I don't know if this is too little. It's finally melted and I have enough. It looks like I have enough. So before I do anything, I'm gonna do a patch test. And a patch test is like basically just a small part of my body, and then I test it because you don't know if the wax is too hot for your skin. You react to it or something. Oh, I don't think I'll react to it. The pre-wax. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, first I'm gonna put the pre-wax. I'm gonna take a shower after this, but in the directions it says don't take a hot shower. So I'm gonna take like a warm to cold shower. Also says like 24 hours. That 24 hours after you shave, it says don't exercise or like try to sweat that much. I might not do a lot in the gym tomorrow. Oh, it's arm day. I won't even sweat. I'm gonna let it dry. Cause the after wax says wipe, but the pre one just says dry. So the patch test worked good. Didn't burn myself, good temperature. So I'm gonna put it up here. And so I'm gonna put it towards how my hair grows. So my hair grows up. So I'm gonna put the wax up, but strip it down against where my hair grows. Oh, wait. Pull the wax towards where my hair grows. So if it grows up, I'll put the wax down and strip it up. I'm gonna put it down because it's hot. I'm not trying to. So I'm gonna circle. Dang, I'm like twirling. Okay, I'm not. So it does get sticky, you gotta be careful. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. So it's already drying. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 3. It sure done pulled it off. It's like taking the hair out like from the follicle. I don't have a lot of dark spots, but it looks like the dark spot is from the hair, which it is, but I never thought about that. This one's gonna hurt. You can't do that. You gotta go all the way. The best part about waxing is known to like not give you razor bumps, nothing like that. That's #1 thing I used to struggle with when I was younger. So if this works, you will never see me picking up a razor. Okay, my legs, they're really sensitive, so and waxing my whole legs is gonna take forever. I'll try it one day, but for my armpits, if it doesn't give me any razor bumps, nothing, so far so good. If it continues like that, never again will I pick up a razor. Okay, I got this. Okay, it took off most of it. And one swipe, this is a lot for me. I don't have a lot of hair, but this is a lot. I probably won't even have to shave for like a couple of weeks because just shaving my armpits with a razor usually takes about like 2 to 3 weeks to grow back. But with the wax, I'm probably not even gonna shave for a month. I'm excited. But I'm gonna go take a shower now. Oh wait, let me show you guys how to clean it up. How to clean up your bowl after you're done using it. Hold on. Give me a sec. When she's done. Okay, so I'm gonna the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug it and turn it off. But I have to do it quickly because I can't let the wax like dry up. I'm gonna turn it off. So I'm gonna drain all the wax from here as much as I can, and I'm gonna do it quickly without burning myself. So I kind of take it out like this. It's really easy cleanups. I feel like I put way more wax than I needed. It's okay because if I had less, I'll be like trying to scrape it like a spatula, trying to. You have to clean it up quickly because the wax is already drying. And you don't want it to dry all the way or else it becomes like just too dry. And the popsicle sticks help get the crevices. So like to get in the... And it'll help not burn yourself. Then you can put coconut oil to help it, to take all of it out. So I could help it with the, take the rest of the wax. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put oil in it so that it's like easier. So I put a little bit of oil in it to help it. So I cleaned it up mostly, but one thing I noticed is you need to keep it warm. Wait, hold on. I don't know why my camera's doing that. I think you need to keep it warm so that it's like easier for the paper to pick up. So it's like, now it's fully done. And the oil helped a lot, but I had to turn on the heat just a little bit because it was drying a little too fast. So the popsicles helped get that crevice. Like, this is what I'll do. Like, hold on, like this, and do it around like that. And it's not that hot, so, because I'm trying to be careful with it. But hold on, it's fully clean now. I took all the wax. I took all the wax off. And then I'm gonna let it cool just a little bit so that's, I'm not putting it in the box while it's hot, but that's how I wax.